Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Rajvanshi and I welcome you all in our today's class, that is English class of class 9th. So students, we have started reading with our chapter number 3 from the book Beehive, okay? And the name of the chapter is The Little Girl, okay? And in the previous video we have read that the little girl, or we can say Kezia, okay? So she got one punishment from her father, okay? And after that she was even more afraid with her father, okay? And she is having this question in her mind that why God created fathers, right? So we will continue the chapter and we will complete reading this chapter in today's video. So let's begin. The McDonalds lived next door, okay? So the relationship of Kezia with her father, it was quite tense for Kezia, okay? So she was full of fear, she was so much afraid with her father, okay? So now what happened, there were some neighbors of Kezia's family, okay? So one of the neighbors are the McDonalds, okay? And they used to live next door, okay? They had 5 children, right? So in that family of McDonalds, there were 5 children in total. Looking through a gap in the fence, the little girl saw them playing tag in the evening. So now this the family, McDonald's family, they were living just the next door, okay? So the little girl, or we can say Kezia, she was able to look at the family through a gap in the fence, okay? So in this picture we can see this is a fence, okay? So fence में जो gap होता है, okay? So इस gap में से जो Kezia थी, she used to look at the McDonald's family, right? और वो क्या देखा करती थी कि वहाँ पे जो 5 children है, they used to play this game, that is tag in the evening, okay? So tag is a game, okay? It is a game of catching one another, right? So in this picture we can see these children, they are playing this game, that is tag, okay? So in this game all the kids, okay, they are running, and one child, he has to catch you, okay, all the kids, okay? So this is a game that is known as tag, and all the kids in McDonald's family, they used to play this game tag in the house in the evening, okay? And Kezia, she used to look through the gap that was there in the fence, okay? The father with the baby Mao on his shoulders, 2 little girls hanging onto his coat pockets, ran round and round the flower beds, okay? अभी जो मैकडोनल्ड फैमिली है, इसमें जो 5 चिल्ड्रन थे वो तो खेलते ही थे, बट अलॉन्ग विद द किड्स, जो फादर थे उन बच्चों के, वो भी खेला करते थे अपने बच्चों के साथ, ओके? सो द फादर विद द बेबी माओ, ओके? सो उन 5 में से जो सबसे छोटा बेबी था, एंड द नेम ऑफ द बेबी इज माओ. सो जो फादर थे वो क्या करते थे, वो माओ को अपने शोल्डर्स पे बिठा लिया करते थे. देन द 2 लिटिल गर्ल्स हैंगिंग ऑन टू हिज कोट पॉकेट्स, ओके? एंड ही यूज्ड टू वेयर वन बिग कोट, ओके? एंड ही वाज हैविंग 2 daughters, and both the daughters, they used to hang on to his coat pockets, okay? And then they all ran round and round the flower beds, okay? So in this picture we can see this is flower beds, okay? So इस तरह का flower beds उनके गार्डन में भी था, okay? So वो उस flower beds के राउंड अराउंड खेला करते थे. सो नाउ वी कैन इमेजिन, ओके, कि ये जो फैमिली है, सो यहाँ पे जो जो किड्स है, ओके, दे आर हैविंग बहुत ही कॉर्डियल रिलेशनशिप है उनका अपने फादर के साथ, ओके? बिकॉज फादर, ही इज प्लेइंग विद द किड्स, ही इज स्पेंडिंग सम क्वालिटी टाइम विद द किड्स, ओके? और डेली इवनिंग में जो फादर है वो अपने सभी बच्चों के साथ खेला करते थे. जो बेबी है उसको अपने शोल्डर से बिठा लिया है, ओके? और जो गर्ल्स हैं वो भी अपने फादर के साथ इतना ओपन अप थी, ओके? इतना अच्छे रिलेशनशिप में थी कि वो अपने फादर की कोट की पॉकेट्स पे हैंग हो जाती थी. एंड दे ऑल दे यूज्ड टू रन राउंड एंड राउंड द फ्लावर बेड्स, ओके? सो ये सारा सीन जो था, ये सीन कीजिया देखा करती थी अपने घर की फेंस में से, ओके? Shaking with laughter, okay? And the McDonald's family, they used to run round and round the flower beds, and they used to shake with laughter, okay? So वो गेम तो खेला ही करते थे, but same time they used to laugh so loudly that they used to shake, okay? Once she saw the boys turn the hose on him, and he tried to catch them laughing all the time, okay? So this was Kezia's routine, that daily in the evening she used to look at the McDonald's family through the the gap that was there in the fence. Okay, so once what did she saw, so she saw that जो boys थे मैकडोनल्ड्स फैमिली में जो 5 बच्चे थे राइट, उनमें से जो बॉयज थे उन्होंने क्या किया, दे टर्न द हॉर्स ऑन हिम. ओके, सो व्हाट इज हॉर्स? हॉर्स इज वाटर पाइप राइट. सो इन दिस पिक्चर वी कैन से दिस इज हॉर्स. ओके, सो दिस काइंड ऑफ पाइप इट इज यूज्ड जनरली इन द गार्डन. सो इस तरह का पाइप वहाँ गार्डन में था और दोनों बच्चों ने पाइप जो था ये पाइप्स टर्न ऑन कर दिया था अपने फादर की तरफ राइट. सो ऐसे में फादर का रिएक्शन क्या था, ही ट्राई टू कैच देम लाफिंग ऑल द टाइम. ओके, सो कीजिया उसको लग रहा था कि अब जब बच्चों ने पाइप ऑन कर दिया है अपने फादर को, वो गीला कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो फादर जो है बहुत ज़्यादा एंग्री हो जाएंगे, वो अपने बच्चों को पनिशमेंट देंगे. बट ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. और जो मैकडोनल्ड्स फैमिली में जो फादर थे उन्होंने क्या किया, ही ट्राई टू कैच देम. ओके, एंड हाउ लाफिंग ऑल द टाइम. ओके, सो फादर ही वॉज नॉट एंग्री एट ऑल, ही वॉज नॉट एट ऑल अपसेट. ओके, बट ही वॉज लाफिंग, ही वॉज कैचिंग द बॉयज. ओके, सो ये सारा सीन देख के ऑब्वियसली कीजिया शी वॉज सो सरप्राइज बिकॉज वो अपने घर में अपने फादर को देखा करती थी राइट. और अब तक उसके माइंड में ये इमेज थे कि जो फादर्स होते हैं वो ऐसे ही होते हैं, बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट होते हैं राइट, बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं स्पेंड करते हैं, आपके साथ में खेलते नहीं है, एंड दे यूज टू पनिश यू. ओके, सो दिस वॉज द इमेज दैट कीजिया वॉज हैविंग इन हर माइंड. ओके, बिकॉज these were the things that she has seen in her house, in her own house. Okay, but now when she was looking at the McDonald's family, then there was just opposite scene was there. Okay, and this scene was very much surprised, it was a kind of shock for her. She was unable to believe that इस तरह के फादर्स भी होते हैं, इस तरह की फैमिलीज भी होती हैं जहाँ पे जो फादर है ओके वो इतने लविंग है, इतने केयरिंग है और दे आर प्लेइंग विद द किड्स. ओके, दे आर स्पेंडिंग सो मच क्वालिटी टाइम विद द किड्स एंड दे आर नॉट एट ऑल एंग्री. ओके, अगर किड्स किसी तरह की शैतानी भी कर रहे हैं, अपने फादर को गीला कर रहे हैं, बट स्टिल जो फादर हैं वो गुस्सा नहीं हो रहे हैं, वो पनिशमेंट नहीं दे रहे हैं, बट स्टिल ही इज लाफिंग एंड ही इज प्लेइंग विद द किड्स. ओके, सो फॉर कीजिया दिस वाज समथिंग that was very tough to believe. Okay, then it was she decided there were different sorts of fathers. Okay, so when जब उसको देखती है, जब वो डिफरेंस पाती है कि जो उसके फैमिली में जो उसके फादर हैं ओके और जो मैकडोनल्ड्स फैमिली में जो फादर हैं, उन दोनों को जब वो कंपेयर करती है, जो डिफरेंस है उन दोनों फैमिलीज में, जब वो डिफरेंस को वो समझ पाती है, सो आफ्टर दैट शी डिसाइडेड दैट देयर आर डिफरेंट सॉर्ट्स ऑफ फादर राइट. सो तब उसको समझ में आता है कि सबके फादर्स वैसे नहीं हैं जैसे उसके फादर हैं, सभी फैमिलीज में अलग अलग तरह के फादर्स हैं. सो फाइनली शी डिसाइडेड दैट देयर आर डिफरेंट सॉर्ट्स ऑफ फादर्स. ओके, suddenly one day mother became ill and she and grandmother went to hospital. Okay, so now what happened, suddenly one day Kizia's mother was ill. Okay, and she and grandmother they went to hospital right. So Kizia's mother she was ill, so Kizia's mother and Kizia's grandmother okay they both went to hospital right. The little girl was left alone in the house with Alice the cook. Okay, so now the little girl, that is Kezia, she was left alone in the house and there was only Alice. Okay, and who is Alice? Alice was the cook of the house. Okay, so now Kezia's mother and her grandmother okay they are in the hospital and Kezia is all alone in the house with Alice, that is cook. Okay, that was all right in the daytime, but while Alice was putting her to bed she grew suddenly afraid. Okay, so throughout the daytime she was all alone with Alice only, but it was all right for her in the daytime. Okay, जब तक दिन का टाइम था तब तक उसको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी, Kezia was all right with this thing, but while Alice was putting her to bed okay, but जब night time हो जाता है, जब रात हो जाती है and when it was time to sleep, when it was time to go to bed okay, and when Alice she was putting Kezia to bed, then Kezia she grew suddenly afraid. Okay, what will I do if I have a nightmare, she asked. Okay, and why Kezia she was afraid, why she was full of fear, because she was having this question and she asked that what will I do if I have a nightmare. Okay, so what is nightmare? Nightmare means a bad dream. Okay, so जब तक दिन का टाइम था then Kezia she was not having any problem, she was all right with the cook, that is Alice. Okay, but when it is night time, when it is time to sleep okay, then then Kezia, she was full of fear because you know generally उसको nightmares आते थे रात को सोते समय, generally उसको बहुत ही bad dreams आया करते थे, right? So now she is having this question कि अगर आज भी मुझे nightmare आता है then what will I do? Okay, I often have nightmares and then Granny takes me into her bed. I can't stay in the dark. It all gets whispery. Okay, so Kezia, she was you know full of fear because next she explained and she said that you know I often have nightmares. Okay, so she is saying that you know generally उसको इसी तरह के nightmares आते हैं and every time Granny takes her into her bed. Okay, और जब भी उसको nightmares आते हैं, जब वो रात को उठ जाती है, डर जाती है, तब उसकी जो grandmother है, she used to you know take her into her bed. Okay, I can't stay in the dark. Next to you know this little girl Kezia, she said that you know she is unable to stay in the dark because it all gets whispery. Because जैसे ही darkness होती है, जैसे ही night होती है, तब उसको ऐसा लगता है that everywhere there is whispery sounds. Okay, so उसको लगता है कि हर तरह से you know बिल्कुल low voice आ रही है, कहीं ना कहीं से आवाज़ आ रही है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा डर जाती है रात में अंधेरे में. Okay, so when it was night time, then Kezia, she was full of fear. Okay. You just go to sleep, child, said Alice, pulling off her socks, and don't you scream and wake your poor pa. Okay, so now the cook, and the name of the cook is Alice. So she replied that you know you just go to sleep, child, and then you know she pulled off her socks. Right, next to Alice, she continued that you know don't you scream and wake your poor pa. Right, scream means to shout. Okay, so Alice, she said that you know don't shout in your dream because you know you will wake your poor pa. Okay, so Alice, she advised that don't shout, right? But the same old nightmare came. Okay, so इसके बाद Alice भी वहाँ से चली गई थी and Kezia, she was all alone in her room. Okay, and finally she slept, right? But what happened? The thing was that you know that night also she had the same old nightmare. Okay, and what was the nightmare? जो generally bad dream इसको आया करता था रात को. So what is that nightmare? That is the butcher with her knife and a rope who came nearer and nearer, smiling that dreadful smile while she could not move, could only stand still, crying out grandma grandma. Okay, so this is the nightmare जो जनरली कीजिया you know देखा करती थी. और ये क्या था, इस नाइटमेयर में वो एक बचर को देखा करती थी, राइट? सो व्हाट इज बचर? बचर मीन्स अ पर्सन हु कट्स एनिमल्स फॉर मीट. ओके, सो जनरली उसके ड्रीम में एक बचर आया करता था एंड दैट बचर वॉज हैविंग वन नाइफ. ओके, एंड वन रोप. ओके, आफ्टर दैट बचर केम नियरर and nearer. Okay, and he used to smile. और कैसे he was having a very dreadful smile, very horrifying smile. Okay, and और इसके बाद में क्या होता था, जब कीजिया देखा करती थी that one butcher is there in front of her, then कीजिया was unable to move. Okay, वो बिल्कुल वहाँ से भाग भी नहीं पाती थी, right? and वो केवल वहाँ पे stand हो जाती थी. she was only standing there. Okay, और कैसे without moving, right? crying out grandma grandma, and she just cried out grandma grandma. Okay, और ऐसा कहते ही उसकी नींद खुल जाती थी और वो बहुत ज़्यादा डरी हुई होती थी because of that nightmare. Okay, so that night also she had the same nightmare, right? She woke shivering to see father beside her bed, a candle in his hand. Okay, so now this night the grandma is not there at home. Okay, so now Kezia, she is crying grandma grandma because of the nightmare, and finally she woke. Okay, and when she woke up she was shivering because of the fear. Okay, and you know जब वो जागती है तो क्या देखती है, she found her father beside her bed, right? and one candle was there in her father's hand. Okay, so आज जो कीजिया की मदर है, जो कीजिया की ग्रैंड मदर है, राइट, दे आर नॉट एट होम बट नाउ कीजियाज फादर, ही वाज देयर नियर कीजियाज बेड. ओके, what's the matter, he said. Okay, so Kezia's father, he is asking that what's the matter, what's wrong, why are you shouting, why are you crying? Okay, oh, a butcher, a knife, I want granny. He blew out the candle. Okay, so Kezia, she was explaining the nightmare and she said that you know, oh, I saw one butcher butcher and he was having one knife. Okay, next she said, I just want a granny, I want to go to grandmother. Okay, so Kezia's father, what did he do? He just blew out the candle. Okay, so he was holding one candle in his hand, so now he blew out the candle. Then he bent down and caught up the child in his arms, carrying her along the passage to the big bedroom. Okay, after that Kezia's father, he bent down. Why? To catch up the child in his arms. Okay, so Kezia जो बेड पे सो रही थी, so Kezia को वो उठा लेते हैं अपने आर्म्स में. Then next he carried her along the passage and went to the big bedroom. Okay, so what is this big bedroom? It is Kezia's parents bedroom. Okay, so Kezia's father वो Kezia को Kezia के रूम में से ले आते हैं और कहाँ, अपने बेडरूम में अपने पास वो Kezia को ले आते हैं. Okay, a newspaper was on the bed. Okay, so when Kezia finally she went to her parents bedroom, then what did she found? She found that one newspaper was there on the bed. It means Kezia's father, he was reading this newspaper. Okay, he put away the paper, then carefully tucked up the child. Okay, but now Kezia's father, he put away the paper. Okay, so he was reading something in the paper, but now he was very much concerned about Kezia. Okay, so वो उस पेपर को भी बिल्कुल केयर नहीं करते हैं. He just put away the paper and then very carefully he tucked up the child inside the bed. Okay, he lay down beside her. Okay, और जब वो कीजिया को बिल्कुल अच्छे से सेटल कर देते हैं बेड पे, after that he also lay down just near her. Okay, half asleep, still with the butcher's smile all about her it seemed. She crept close to him, snuggled her head under his arm, held tightly to his shirt. Okay, so Kezia, she is still full of fear because of that nightmare. So she is half asleep still, right? So अभी भी वो नींद तो आ रही है, but वो अच्छी तरह से सो नहीं पा रही है because अभी भी वो बहुत ज़्यादा डरी हुई है. And still वो उसको बार बार वही याद आ रहा है. Still she is remembering the butcher about his dreadful smile. Okay, and वो इतनी ज़्यादा डरी हुई है that she crept close to him, right? जो उसके फादर पास में लेटे हुए हैं, तो वो और ज़्यादा अपने फादर की पास में चली जाती है. Snuggled her head under his arms. और फाइनली वो अपने हेड को कहाँ, snuggle means to move close to another person, right? जो उसके फादर का आर्म है उसके बिल्कुल पास में वो अपना हेड जो है वो रख देती है. ओके, held tightly to his shirt. आफ्टर दैट जो उसके फादर ने शर्ट पहनी हुई है, तो अपने फादर की शर्ट को भी वो बिल्कुल टाइटली पकड़ लेती है. ओके, सो नाउ वी कैन इमेजिन दैट she is actually very much afraid, she is actually very much frightened because of that nightmare. Okay, then the dark did not matter, she lay still. But now when she was near her father, right, वो बिल्कुल टाइटली अपने फादर को उसने होल्ड करा हुआ है. So now the dark did not matter for her, right? So अब उसको डार्कनेस से या अपने नाइटमेयर से और वीकेंड से उस बच्चे से अब उसको बिल्कुल भी डर नहीं लग रहा है, because now she is having her father beside her. Okay, and now she just lay still. Okay, here, rub your feet against my legs and get them warm, said father. Okay, so now Kezia's father, he said to Kezia that rub your feet against my legs. Okay, why? To get them warm. Okay, so it was very cold. Okay, और जो Kezia के पैर थे वो बहुत ज़्यादा cold थे, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडे हो गए थे, right? So Kezia's father, he is saying to rub her feet against his legs. Okay, so that Kezia will be able to get her feet warm. Okay, tired out, he slept before the little girl. Okay, so now Kezia and her father both are there in the bed, and Kezia's father, he was very much tired, right? Because उनको दिन में हॉस्पिटल भी जाना पड़ा था, अपने वर्क प्लेस भी जाना होता है. Okay, so he was very much tired. Okay, and this was the reason that he slept before the little girl. Okay, so Kezia वो अभी तक जागी हुई थी, she was unable to sleep, but Kezia's father, he slept before her because he was so much tired, right? He was exhausted, he was tired. Okay, a funny feeling came over her, okay, और जब कीजिया देखती है that you know she is still awake, okay, and her father, right, वो already सो चुके हैं, so now a funny feeling was there, right, in her mind. Poor father, not so big after all, and with no one to look after him, right. और कीजिया के माइंड में क्या बातें चल रही थी, वो अपने फादर को देखती है जो कि उसके पास में ही, you know, he was sleeping just beside her. So now Kezia was thinking that you know my father is so poor, okay. Why now she realized that her father is not so big, right. Earlier in the chapter we have read that you know for Kezia उसको लगता था कि उसके फादर you know बहुत बिग है, okay, और जब भी वो अपने फादर के बारे में सोचा करती थी, right, so she used to think him as a giant, okay. But now when her father, he was just sleeping near her, then she realized that her father is not so big, okay, and now she realized that there is no one to look after him, right, because mother is not there in the house, right, grandmother is not there in the house. So finally this little girl Kezia, she realized that you know poor father, and there is no one to look after him, okay, because she is having her father, okay, who is there to look after her, okay, but no one is there to look after the poor father, okay. He was harder than grandmother, but it was a nice hardness, okay. So now जो कीजिया की feelings है, right, अब तक कीजिया के मन में अपने father को लेके क्या feeling थी, she was having a lot of fear, she was so frightened, she was so afraid with her father, okay. But now her feelings were changing, because we can say for the very first time she was you know so close with her father, okay. So now she was able to understand, she was now able to develop a better understanding for her father, okay. So now she was having the feeling, and she was thinking that her father was harder than grandmother, okay. जो उनकी skin है, जो उनके hands है, जो उनके legs है, right, they were harder comparatively to her grandmother, but it was a nice hardness, okay. And every day he had to work and was too tired to be a Mr. McDonald, okay. So now finally Kezia, she herself was justifying this comparison, okay, that she made herself earlier, okay. So when you know जब उसने अपने neighbors को देखा था, McDonald's family को देखा था, so when she was having this comparison in her mind, that why her father is not playing with her, why her father did not spend such quality time with her, okay, and why her father is so much strict, okay, why always he gave so much punishments to her, right. So she was having all these things in her mind, but now she was able to understand, okay, now she was justifying all these things herself, and you know वो सोच रही है that every day her father, he had to work so hard, okay, and this is the reason that he is always so tired, and he cannot be a Mr. McDonald, he cannot play with her, he cannot spend so much time with her, because he has to go to work, okay, and there he worked you know so hard, and always he is so much tired, okay. She had torn up all his beautiful writing, okay, and one more thing, she is justifying, and now she is justifying the punishment that her father gave her, okay. So अब तक उसके मन में क्या feelings थी, उसको लगता था कि क्यों उसके father ने उसको punish किया, she was just making one birthday surprise for her father, okay, but you know उसके father ने एक बार सुना तक नहीं, right, and he gave that much of punishment to her. So अब तक उसके मन में ये feelings थी, right, but now उसकी फीलिंग्स इसके लिए भी चेंज हो रही थी, एंड नाउ शी वाज थिंकिंग कि उसके फादर ने उसको पनिश तो किया था, बट व्हाई, बिकॉज शी एक्चुअली मेड वन मिस्टेक, ओके, एंड व्हाट वाज हर मिस्टेक, शी एक्चुअली टॉर्न अप ऑल हिज ब्यूटीफुल राइटिंग, ओके. सो ऑल द पेपर्स, ऑल द शीट्स दैट शी टोर, ओके, दोज पेपर्स वर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर हर फादर, दोज पेपर्स वर एक्चुअली that papers were having a speech of her father, okay. So they were actually very important papers of her father, and without asking anyone, without informing anyone, she just gathered all the paper and she just tore them down, okay. So finally she was realizing her mistake, okay. She stirred suddenly and sighed, okay. So finally when she realized her mistake, okay, और उसको अब realization होता है कि उसके father ने उसको जो punishment दी थी, right, only to teach her a lesson, okay, ताकि future में वो ये mistakes repeat ना करे, okay. So when finally she was having this realization, after that she stirred suddenly. Okay, stir means to move slightly. Okay, वो जहाँ बैठी हुई थी, जहाँ वो लेटी हुई थी, वहाँ से वो थोड़ा सा मूव होती है. And then she sighed. Okay, what's the matter? Asked her father. Another dream. Okay, so when Kezia she moved, okay, from her place, then Kezia's father he asked that what's the matter. Okay, next he asked that do you have another dream. Okay, do you have another nightmare, right? Oh, said the little girl, my head's on your heart. Okay, so now Kezia she replied that oh, my head is on your heart. I can hear it going and I am able to hear your heart. Okay, I am able to hear your heartbeats. What a big heart you have got, father dear. Okay, so finally Kezia she is saying that you are having a very big heart. Okay, and you are my dear father. Okay, so finally जो feelings है Kezia की, okay, earlier she was so much afraid, she was having a lot of fear for her father, but now finally she was able to develop a better understanding. Now she was able to understand her father's reactions. Okay, and now she was able to understand that why her father was not spending that much of time with her, why her father was not playing with her, and why her father he gave her punishment, right? So now she developed a better understanding for her father, for her reactions, for her actions. Okay, and finally she called her father dear father. Okay, so students, we have completed the chapter. This is a very interesting chapter and all of you can relate with this chapter, right? Because हम सब की लाइफ में भी ऐसा टाइम आता है when we are unable to understand our parents concern. Okay, but later on हमारे अंदर भी वो understanding आती है when we will be able to understand their concern, their action. Okay, so this is very interesting chapter. I hope the chapter is very much clear to you all, and in the next video we will see the comprehension part, we will solve the questions. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you.